If your DC25 is starting to make loud noises, this video is going to cover the two most common ones. Firstly, when the brush bar is a little bit loud, and then secondly, like this, when you turn it off and it's making this strange noise. Let's start off with this strange wooing noise. It actually comes from the ball area, and people think it might be the motor. But what it actually is the filter inside. To access it, you press this button and lift off this flap. Then press the red button on the filter and it just slides out. Now what's actually happening is air comes out of this part from the motor, and then as you shut the vacuum down, because the filter's blocked, it makes this rubber seal make the strange noise. Now these filters don't clean that well, so what I've done is just bought a new replacement one. They're not that expensive. They just push fit in until they click, make sure it's secure, and then put your door back on that covers up the filter. This just goes in reverse order. Give that a quick spin to make sure it's fine, and whilst we're at it, this doesn't affect the noise, but because we got the other filter with the kit, we're going to replace this too. You lift off the bin and then unclip the handle, and this lifts up. Take your old filter out. Now these are washable, but because I've got the new filter, this is going to get my suction back to new. Put your filter in, clip it down, and then replace the bin. Now it's time to see if the noise has gone. Turn your vacuum on, and turn it off again. And there we go, no more strange noise. Next we have the brush bar. Now the customers said that this is loud. I've actually heard worse. Judge for yourself. So I inspected the brush bar and it doesn't seem to be in bad condition, but it does have a bit of a rattle when you pull on it. This will be made worse when the motor's turned on. So I released the end cap using a coin, and then that just pulls off like so. Take the brush bar out, and you can see that the end cap isn't too bad either. Sometimes these are damaged and they can get really rattly. The brush, there's a little bit of damage on the end, but nothing that would cause that kind of rattle. I think it's just worn a bit with age. So I got a new one just because they're quite low priced. Put the new brush bar in. It just fits in like so to the cog end first. And then you get your end cap, and that goes on at an angle like so. And once it's on the end, you just push it down and then lock this part with a coin again. Now we're going to see if that rattles at all. No, it's as solid as a rock. And there we have it, no more loud horrible noises, and because we've replaced the filters too, the suction is as good as new. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is showing you how to replace your switch.